dedication and sweet devotion, oh yeah. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. 'Cause it's alright, just hold tight. Yes, it's alright, so hold tight, hold tight. Alright. Well, love is a man's solution. Loving is a woman's solution. Spread it on every nation. Tell it to the young generation. Love is a boy's solution, and loving is a girl's solution. Ooh yeah, love solution, one love, love solution, love solution, love solution, love solution. I was born as a man from a woman, and a woman was made for a man. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. So put your little hands in mine. There's no hills or mountains we can't climb. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. So it's alright, just hold tight. Yes, it's alright, just hold tight, hold tight. Alright. Well, love is the man's solution. Loving is a woman's solution. Well, spread it all over the world. Challenge every boy and girl. Ooh yeah, love is a boy's solution, and loving is a girl's solution. Ooh yeah, love solution, on love, love solution, love solution, love solution, love solution. And so as it revolves, there's no problem we can solve. Put your little hands in mine and we'll fly, we'll fly.
Bitch, man, y'all. What's happening to the world today? People going crazy, many killings there. Children dying, bombing, shooting, family hurting because the loved ones losing. What can we just get along in this world? Love one another like a diamonds and pearls. One love and unity. Let's start with our own backyard and community.
Love solution, one love, love solution, love solution.